Welcome back guys to a new adventure on my YouTube channel. Today we arrived in Penang in Malaysia. So Penang is actually the food capital of Malaysia. You can find the best food, local food here in Penang.
This is the beautiful Kapitan Keling Mosque, built in the 19th century. Georgetown is the colorful, multicultural capital of the Malaysian island of Penang. The city is known for its British colonial buildings, Chinese temples and mosques.
And same like everywhere in Malaysia, you can find a lot of street art here. It looks really great.
Penang wasn't always a street art heaven. It all started when Georgetown was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008. I tried my best to find the most beautiful works all over the island.
So the street art is just insane. It's so nice. And they just put a bike there. So this is like the first central station, fire station. So this auntie is selling soy milk to the kids. Literally on every corner you can find the street art, which is the best in Malaysia.
The clan jetties of Penang are historic Chinese villages built out over the water on long jetties. Located in Georgetown, Malaysia, the clan jetties are a reminder of Penang's multicultural history. Typically, each jetty belongs to a single family clan, with dozens of wooden houses on each jetty. The most well-known jetty is the Chu jetty, which is open to visitors can observe what life on a clan jetty is like.
It looks great. Hello. What do you sell?
Very good.
Fresh nutmeg.
Armenian Street was originally a part of Malay settlement. It is a narrow street within the city of Georgetown, which is one of the handful of places in the world that was named after the nation-state of Armenia. The street has gained popularity in recent years for its rich cultural offerings and street art. Batu Ferringhi is a suburb of Georgetown, located along the northern coast of Penang Island and about 11 kilometers northwest of the city center. It is the prime beach destination in Penang among locals and tourists.
So I rent a scooter and I came to the north side of Penang, and here's a big lake. Looks very beautiful. And for the scooter I paid 40 ringgit per day, and I rent it now for 5 days. And I think this is enough for Penang. Malaysia is also famous for its durian. And here is a durian farm. And I just stopped by to fly the drone a bit, because the view up here is very nice. So there are a lot of signs about the fruits. I stopped by for a drink and he got a lot of different fruits here, which I never saw this one. You dry it here in the sun. It's called nutmeg and you can make candy and oil.
Here's the Balik Pulau rice field, which look like another Asian countries, such as Indonesia and Thailand. I'll fly my drone here, let's see the view from above.
I just read about this secret beach in Google Maps and the way was very difficult to find now, but the people told me this is the way. So let's check it out. Seems like you have to walk through this village. Now there are two ways. Let's give it the luck with the left one. I just asked the local people. They said it's the right way. I can see it already. Wow, it's nice. Actually, I want to fly my drone, but I just checked in the DJI app that the airport is very near. So the drone cannot start from here. The guys are fishing there. And this cat here in front is super hungry, I think. Hello. Yeah. So there's another trail. Let's take this one, and it seems like here's also a beach. Oh wow. Here's also a small house. Looks like it's a lost place, but I'm not sure. Climbed to this big rock here. And from here you also have a nice view. You don't need a drone anymore. So this is the Kapitan restaurant, Indian restaurant. The scooter rental guy, he recommended this to me. So if you want to order something, you have to scan this and you get the menu on the phone. I ordered some ginger tea and some water first, and the food is coming soon. The butter naan just came. Some curry as always, but this butter naan looks really nice. So I have to try it. So delicious. Amazing. It's so huge.
Biryani is a mix of the native spicy rice dishes of India and the Persian.
And it came with two different sauce. This one is actually a little bit sour, and this one is mostly the same like from the butter naan, but both taste very good.
In my next YouTube video you will see more about the island of Penang. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell button that you don't miss out the next adventure on my YouTube channel. Thanks!